Welcome to Zia's Kitchens. Today, let us make an interesting recipe. This is called as mani kolakatta or ammani kolakatta or mini dumplings. For this, let us check the ingredients. I have taken 1.5 cup of rice powder, 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, 2 to 3 red chilies and little curry leaves, 1 cup of grated coconut, half a cup of coconut crushed with the cumin seeds. You can crush this using your mixer grinder. Let us start now. In a pan, add 1.5 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of ghee and 1 teaspoon of salt. Close it and let it boil. Now it's boiling. Let us add the rice powder. Slowly, little by little, add the rice powder. Mix well and let it cook, and we have to make it into a dough. This is done. Close it again and keep it for 2 minutes. Now I have transferred the cooked rice powder into a white plate. It is very hot now. Be careful while kneading. We have to add the crushed coconut with the cumin seeds into this and knead it completely. Use your palm to knead. Press hard and knead properly so that it will become a soft dough. Meanwhile, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications of our new uploads. Now apply little oil to your hands and now take a small piece of dough, roll it into a small dumplings, small mini dumplings. Like this. The same way, let us roll all the dumplings. Meanwhile, heat a steamer. Now add the dumplings into the steamer. Roll the dumplings into the steamer and close it and let us cook it for 10 minutes. Now this is done. Take it and keep it aside. And now in a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. I am using coconut oil here. Add the chana dal, urad dal and the mustard seeds. Now let the mustard seeds crackle. Now when it is done, add the curry leaves. Now add the red chilies and the cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are optional here. If you want, you can add, otherwise just ignore that. Now add the grated coconut to it. Just mix well with the oil. Need not cook the coconut. Now add the salt. Add all the cooked or steamed dumplings into this coconut mixture and mix well. Now this is all done. This will be very tasty. You can make this for breakfast or for the evening tea. This will be very yummy. Thanks for watching.